What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a super quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, with Bitcoin rolling over, it does look as though Verasity is coming back down to retest the top of this little range that we have, the bottom of this little range, sorry, that we have been talking about for a little while here. Obviously you can see Verasity having a little bit of a rollover here, coming back down to retest the bottom of the range. It seems as though in the YouTube comments we've been getting a lot of people saying that Verasity is, you know, a shit coin and that basically it's been performing terribly recently, a waste of time, a bad investment, we should stop talking about it, all this, you know, these kinds of sentiments that people often have just before something does start to absolutely rip, and then they go, oh yeah, well. So basically, you know, people getting impatient, it seems, with Verasity having, you know, a few weeks of consolidation. So, you know, obviously the wrong mindset being had there clearly by people looking at probably, you know, this chart and going, for example, the 1 hour here and going, yep, this is a terrible, terrible chart. Things are going to the downside, but it's quite clear on a macro perspective, things are going exceptionally well for this token. You can see obviously the massive run up here, the big consolidation and retracement. Another, you know, we're just chunking our way up to the upside, aren't we? You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. A lot of people saying that this chart looks like absolute trash, which is obviously a pretty big overstatement and an oversight on their part, considering how bullish this is actually looking with the clear macro uptrend that we are seeing right now and just an extended consolidation for Verasity here. A lot of people saying that there is potentially, you know, a head and shoulders looking something like this, but we'd say obviously it depends entirely on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin does go to the downside, obviously we will be seeing Verasity have a bit of a rollover as well, maybe losing the bottom of the range and coming down towards that 5 cent level, maybe even beyond, down to 4.4 cents if that was the case. But realistically, we don't think Bitcoin is probably going to be rolling that much more, considering, you know, how overextended it did get to the downside. It's had a decent little renaissance over the past few days, but obviously there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding the current climate of, you know, things going on in the world right now. So pretty obvious that we are having a little bit of a rollover in the stock market because of that, which is tending to drag Bitcoin down as well, leading to the market getting dragged down overall. But we'd say Verasity, you know, even if it does come back down to here, we'll still be very bullish, just retesting that previous level at swing high level of resistance as support before continuation is bullish still. So overall, we think this chart's looking super good. A lot of nonsense out there, but realistically, we do think Verasity in the end is probably going to see its day and do very well. You can see here the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And if we did roll over to 4.7 cents and fully retest that previous swing high, that'd be super bullish for getting a pickup. So overall, not that much to say about Verasity today. Obviously, we came down, we touched that in, we basically got the overextension of the range, didn't we? We come back up, and then since then, we've just been kind of trading down like this, basically having a little bit of a rollover, looking to find that bit of support. And obviously if we do get that overextension down here, we'll probably have a very, very nice bullish divergence with the price action coming down, the RSI coming up like this. You can see the momentum to the downside decreasing all the time, despite the fact the price action's coming down. Hidden bullish divergences everywhere. So overall, Verasity is still looking good. Obviously, you have to be patient in this market. You can't just get gains instantaneously all the time. And all the people that are getting out of Verasity right now saying that it's a shit coin are probably going to be very disappointed in the next 6 months, considering the fundamentals of this token and how well things are going for it. I mean, this chart is still looking super bullish. So if people can't wait a few weeks for gains, then they're probably not going to make it. So overall, we'd say short-term price predictions then looks as though we are coming back down towards this level here at the bottom of the range at 5 cents. If we rolled over further, we do have that swing low here down at 5.3 cents at the bottom of the range, sorry. And then obviously at the bottom of this swing low here at around 5 cents as well. We do think that potentially this 5 cent level could be a very, very strong level of support, especially if we do get that overextension like this, where we basically get the price action coming down, the RSI coming up, and we do get that bullish divergence that we are looking for. Obviously, we did get a huge bullish divergence here as well. You can see here with the RSI and the price action. And you can see because of that, we did get that huge pickup off the bottom. So one more sweep of the lows would be quite likely before getting a nice reversal off the bottom, in our opinion. Obviously, Verasity is still looking pretty good in our estimations. Moving to the upside, if we do head up, we are heading to put back to the top of the range. As we said, that 6.7 cent to 7 cent level is very key to be broken. If we can break that, back test it and continue, that would be beautiful to see. And then beyond that, as we've always said, we do think Verasity, we're heading to that 10 cent level pretty soon, that 127 extension. We've got the 161 coming in at around 20 cents, and we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is entirely possible. The market cap is still so low. This crypto is actually getting a lot of use right now, a huge amount of utility. Not to mention it's looking very good technically as well. We could easily see it coming up towards that 50 cent to $1 level, maybe even beyond, depending on how parabolic the move could get. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.